Hello everybody, Excellencies. My name is Ridwan Kamil. I'm the Governor of West Java, Indonesia. First of all, I would like to say thank you for having me in this important World City Summit 2022. At the same time, I would like to apologize for not having physically in Singapore because in Indonesia we have travel restriction the last couple of weeks. For the government official not to travel overseas temporarily because of the COVID increase in Indonesia. Therefore, once again, please accept my apology. As a governor of 50 million people, handling 27 cities and regions, this is my challenge: how to control and how to manage smoothly coordination and transforming my population, my civilization into the next future using digital. As we speak, we are having this conference in the realm of three disruption. Currently, we have what we call it the pandemic disruption. Second is climate change disruption, and also the third is digital or 4.0 disruption. So I'm hoping we can survive and we can adapt to become the new society, surviving the pandemic, surviving the global warming, climate change, and surviving digital 4.0 disruption. As you know, disruption, in my opinion, is a forced change. We are forced to change out of our comfort zone. And we need, one, to survive this disruption. Second, we need to adapt, become an adaptive generation to this three disruption, and also outcome from adaptation, we are creating the new lifestyle, the lifestyle that more into digital. So smart cities, it's within this what we call it technological, ICT, and digital disruption. During this disruption, as a government, I have 5 principles that I'm using to manage my region. Number one, we are always transparent, and by digital also the transparency become a necessity. During this second value is proactive, because as a government we cannot wait. Because the disruption is here, so we need to be proactive. And thirdly, we are very scientific. We are always knowledge-based decision making is part of my way of making decision. Collaborative is a very Indonesian way. Bottom up is part of our way of making decision, and also we are trying to be as innovative as possible. So within this concept, I created the last 3 years what we call it a digital West Java. We are transforming the whole West Java into a digital society, in transforming the government with e-government, transforming the educations, more online if necessary during COVID, for example. We have more collaboration with private sector. We're creating a series of innovation center, and also one of the most important, we are have a value of inclusivity, creating what we call digital village. So in city we call it smart city. In village we call it digital village. This smart city, we have 3 values. Number one is to control. Our bureaucracy is to control our government performance, from slow bureaucracy to fast bureaucracy by digital, from a hidden data to transparent and big data kind of attitude, from a corrupt situation more to cleaner integrity, fighting corruption using digital. That's what I've been doing. From manual lifestyle to more digital lifestyle, and from a top-down kind of environment into more democracy, into more bottom-up. Also, we try to connect to all for example, the chief village or neighborhood unit neighborhood unit chief using an apps of Sapa Warga. We are promoting e-commerce increasing 40% during pandemic. Yeah, so I'm happy to report to you this force change forced the conventional trader in a small scale SMEs to be more digital and into the e-commerce and increase the GDP economy to 40% of this one and many more. And also I have been creating innovative working unit called Jabar Digital Service. We hire many young generations to be part of our team. One problem, one application, one apps. If we have 1,000 problem, we create 1,000 apps. Yeah, so this is how West Java. We are copying the UK digital service, and I'm very happy. It's one of the most innovative, won many awards because it's super productive, solving all issues in West Java, from reforming the government to giving the social security, food to poor people, vaccine data, vaccine queuing, telemedicine, and many more. We communicate also using smart city with our social media in West Java. All the working unit department must have the social media approach and social media communication. They make videos every day to inform what they do. So if we have in West Java 40 departments, at least we produce 40 videos informing the people what we are doing. Yeah, we are also creating a defense. So the priority of smart city not only to become a tool for people to survive, but also become a tool to fight also the dark side of the internet, what we call it the hoax phenomenon. So we created not only Jabar Digital Service in West Java, we are creating also the anti-hoax unit. So every Monday we post 5 allegedly hoax news to my people. So my people now understand and check every Monday which are the fake news of the week, so they not to be fall into victim of the fake news. Complaint online and many more we are also creating. And we are creating also a very responsive digital humanitarian unit called Jabar Quick Response. Yeah, so people using mobile phone reporting problems, reporting humanity crisis issues, and this team with digital data, digital scan, digital reports, send real people solving one humanity problem at a time, and this is becoming a trust in political of West Java that the government is very close, is very responsive because of the digital connection between the reporter from the people to the responder from our government. So overall, I think to conclude, the priorities now is let's use smart city as an ecosystem to surviving our people to this 3 disruption, using smart city also to make adaptation to the new lifestyle of digital lifestyle, and one, we need to have an inclusive approach. As a government, we are creating an equal opportunity to all my people in regards to digital access. So from cities to rural in West Java, you will see so many digital interaction. Second, we need to secure our digital lifestyle. That's why the anti-hoax being established. We are having a firewall team to make sure there is no hacking to our system. The third value to conclude is we need to have more affordable digital lifestyle, digital access. Fintech is is a massive phenomenon in West Java. So we are creating a police and policing the illegal fintech to make sure the legal fintech only that can give access for financing to our mid to low income. And lastly, we need to adjust and up to date all our technology to make sure that we are using the high-end technology, the high-end digital innovation to our people. At the end of the day, what I have been saying is partly because we have been giving the most expensive thing coming from a leader, which is political will. I like digital, I like technology, I'm using digital and technology to transform my society, and in return, it created trust from my people to the leader to myself. So this is vice versa. So I think smart city and digital will become our lifestyle. Once again, that's my West Java experience using the concept of digital West Java from city to rural and creating a very transforming society of West Java. Once again, thank you for having me speaking on this important event. But once again, I would like to apologize for physically not being in Singapore due to travel restriction. And have a good and lovely event. Looking forward to the conclusion and fruitful outcome from this important conference. Thank you. Hatur nuhun. Good day. See you next time.